What's going on, y'all? It's the kid Jay Nolan here. Hey man, y'all already know Apple is very savvy, and over the past 5 to 10 years, they've really been tapping into our pockets, right? They got the Apple credit card, Apple Pay, all this different type of stuff to make transactions easier, get a credit line, all this good shit, right? Well, now they have Apple Pay Later, which is very similar to like Klarna, Afterpay, all those other companies out there that allow you to make payments on online purchases and whatnot, where you can do incremental charges to take care of the whole balance. Yeah, Apple done got in that game now. Apple Pay Later allows users to split purchases into 4 payments spread over 6 weeks with no interest and no fees. Users can easily track, manage, and repay their Apple Pay Later loans in one convenient location within the Apple Wallet. Users can apply for Apple Pay Later loans of $50 to $1,000, which can be used for online and in-app purchases made on your iPhone, iPad, or made with merchants that accept Apple Pay. Starting today, Apple will begin inviting select users to access a pre-release version of Apple Pay Later, with plans to offer it to all eligible users in the coming months. To get started with Apple Pay Later, users can apply for a loan within the wallet with no impact to your credit score. They will then be prompted to enter the amount they would like to borrow and agree to the Apple Pay Later terms. A soft credit pull will be done during the application process to help ensure the user is in a good financial position before taking on the loan. After a user is approved, they will see the Pay Later option when they select Apple Pay at checkout online and in apps on your iPhone or iPad, and you can use Apple Pay Later to make a purchase. Once it's set up, users can also apply for a loan directly in the checkout flow when making a purchase. The loan part is really what's going crazy for me. Like, it's really hard for me to get past that part. I understand making split payments. I think that's dope. A lot of companies have that. You could even set that up on your personal website through Squarespace and all of this stuff right now for a lot of you people that sell online products, digital products, all that good stuff. That's cool. But the fact that they trying to get you to take out extra money and then you have to pay it back over time, I don't know, bro. Let's just keep going though. Apple Pay Later is built right into the wallet so users can seamlessly view, track, and manage all of their loans in one place. With Apple Pay Later in your wallet, users can easily see the total amount due for all existing loans, as well as the total amount due in the next 30 days. They can also choose to see all upcoming payments on a calendar view. Users will also receive notifications via wallet and email so they can plan accordingly. Users will be asked to link a debit card from wallet as their loan repayment method to help prevent users from taking on more debt to pay back loans. Your credit card will not be accepted. It has to be from a debit card so that they can take the money directly from your bank. They don't want you to pay off your debt with the debt, okay? It's really nothing too crazy. It just shows you that Apple is business savvy at the end of the day. Like I stated in the beginning of this video, there are companies that already do this like Klarna, Afterpay, and some other ones that are out there. I've seen them in checkout processes where they offer them. This is not a revolutionary thing. It's just letting you break your stuff up into payments. If you're making major purchases, but you don't want to spend it all at one time, it is a good way to, pay it off and not really hit your account the way that it could all at once. Some people really ain't got the bread like that, but they know they're going to be getting it in the next couple of weeks. That may also help you. Additionally, the good thing is zero interest and zero fees attached. So they're not actually adding anything to the balance. You're paying it off in full with no extra money that you're going to have to come out from. So I guess no harm, no foul. It's just another option when you're making purchases, which of course everybody loves options. I do see some people online that are making jokes and saying how people are going to go in debt from doing this. But hey, I'm going to keep it real, man. Like they got in this screenshot. If you can't afford a $125 purchase and you break it down into $30 per payment and you miss those payments, you shouldn't have got it in the first place. It's not judging. I ain't got it like that neither. However, you got to have some restraint on certain things, or just get a regular credit card if you can and pay it off that way. It's a lot of options out here these days. Let me know what y'all think of this whole thing down below in the comments. Be sure to like and share this video. And if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the post notification bell for all updates. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right? Much love and respect, y'all. Peace.